just another flight. How's your chicken? Pretty bad. Oh no, something the chicken has affected everyone in the cockpit. Then the flight attendant comes out. Does anyone know how to land a jumbo jet? Next thing you know, you're in the cockpit. Step 1. Level the plane. If the plane is descending or climbing, this probably means the autopilot is off. Look at the altitude indicator and pull on the yoke to the plane's steering wheel to raise the nose and correct the descent, or push the yoke to lower the nose and correct a climb. Step 2. Turn on the autopilot. Step 3. Call for help. Say Mayday 3 times into the pilot's headset. Add the flight number and you'll be answered by the airport flight controller. Listen carefully. The flight controller will know the layout of the plane's controls and will help you find the necessary buttons and switches. Step 4. Check your airspeed. Make sure that the airspeed is no less than 180 knots. Step 5. Prepare for instrument landing. Instrument landing system from the runway you'll land on sends out radio beams. The flight controller will tell you how to set an intercept course to pick up these beams for the plane to follow. The autopilot takes it from there. Step 6. Start the descent. Pull back gently on the throttle. Step 7. Pull the landing gear lever down. Step 8. Lower the flaps. You'll be told how to lower the flaps by the flight controller. Step 9. Activate reverse thrusters.